There is a warm cup of coffee. If there is a laugh to share, it's with you. In morning light, you hear my story. Oh, and it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and it's down, oh it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, it's good to have a friend like you. Some barbecues to share me, and midnight runs from red and blue lights. Wherever life seems to take me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Yeah. Life is up and it's down, oh it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. Times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be downright cruel. Life is up and it's down, oh it's all love, that's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you.
Championship race. And during that final race, I will be looking for 4 Racing Pig fans out of this crowd. Down here, we will get one more set up right over here. What do you guys think? You want to see the pigs come out here and jump some hurdles? Oh, hey. Guys, that right there, really good for a warm-up. Let's try that again. Who wants to see some pigs fly? That is what we like to hear. Let's bring out the second fastest racer, you know, but lately he's really turned himself into quite the well-rounded individual. He's always in first for dinner though, you can count on that. Give it up for Sloppy Joe! In the second lane, we're in the pink, number 5. She's a crowd favorite everywhere we go. She's got a sweet name, but don't let that fool you, folks. None of that sweetness makes it out to the racetrack. Guys, let's hear it for number 5, Strawberry. In the third lane, we're in the blue, number 6. We got a bit of a racing pig celebrity right there. He's a 5 times grand champion racer. That is our only pig to ever grace the cover of Snorts Illustrated. The most interesting pig in the world. Let's have a great big cheer for Bob. And last but not least, in the outside lane, wearing the purple, number 8. There's not a whole lot to that little pig, except for one thing. He likes to go fast. He just got back from Talladega. Make some noise for Ricky Hoggy. Okay, here we go. Second round of racing. This sets up the championship race. Here we go. We're going on the bell this time. Ready? There it is. Here comes the second round of racers. Flying out of the gate. Strawberry and Mom looking for snacks. Falling behind. Ricky Hoggy way out the lead. Strawberry, can she close the gap? Whoa! Oh boy. Okay, he knows if he's not first, he's last. Give it up for number 8, Ricky Hoggy, taking the win. And number 7, Sloppy Joe in second place. Let's hear it for Sloppy Joe. Okay, we got a championship race. We got number 4, Yukon, number 2, Sourdough Jack, number 8, Ricky Hoggy, and number 7, Sloppy Joe coming back for the final race. We're gonna let the team go, everybody, for the final race as I introduce these pigs. I want to hear great big cheers from each of these teams. I want to see who can be the loudest crowd. The louder you cheer, the faster your pig runs. In the inside lane, we're in the purple, number 8, that's Ricky Hoggy racing for Sawyer. Very good, setting the bar. Second lane, we're in the green, number 2, that's Sourdough Jack racing for Serafina. Turning it up, I like it. Third lane, we're in the red, number 4, that's Yukon racing for Cole. Fired up. And in the outside lane, we're in the black, number 7, that's Sloppy Joe racing for Penny. Fired up. All right, folks, here we go. Championship race on the way. Piggies, start your engines. Uh-oh. Guys, they're having trouble getting started. Let's help them out, everybody. Big 3, 2, 1, go. All together. Ready? 3.